Hi everyone. Today we are going to study a new topic, that is Vijay or mathematics. What is a Vijay or in mathematics? The answer is indeterminate forms. So today we are going to start the indeterminate forms. Mainly 7 types of indeterminate forms we have. So we call it as a Vijay in mathematics. So this is a Vijay in mathematics. So what is the story behind this indeterminate forms? In order to solve these indeterminate forms, there is a rule, L'Hopital rule, and the story behind this L'Hopital rule is this one. John Bernoulli discovered this in 17th century, and actually read this. John Bernoulli to teach him differential and integral calculus. Bernoulli's on mathematical discoveries to L'Hopital in exchange for a regular salary. The wealthy Guillaume Francois Antoine de L'Hopital commissioned John Bernoulli to teach him a differential and integral calculus. It seems surprising to us. Bernoulli agreed to this arrangement. So Bernoulli started to teach this L'Hopital, and every thing discovered by this Bernoulli is published in the name of L'Hopital. So there was a contract between them. L'Hopital did acknowledge Bernoulli in the preface to his text, but he did not make clear that a great extent to which work was actually due to Bernoulli. Actually, Bernoulli discovered all this rule, but Bernoulli kept silent during L'Hopital's life. But after L'Hopital's death, Bernoulli accused him of plagiarism. Bernoulli's claims were not taken seriously at the time, and the rule on indeterminate forms has been known as the L'Hopital rule since 1696. Only after the historical research and the publication of the correspondence between the Bernoulli and L'Hopital has it been substantiated that the rule is actually a result of John Bernoulli's insight. This is actually the result of John Bernoulli, but it is named as a L'Hopital rule. Okay, this is the story behind this rule, and this rule is need to solve these type of indeterminate forms. So what is the limit of this one? Limit x tending to 0 sin x by x. Any idea? Okay, so at the first attempt it is sin 0 by 0, that is sin 0 is 0, 0 by 0. Then I think you have already studied what is limit of this one, that's equal to 1. Okay, so how can you get this one? Similarly here, what is the first limit? X tending to 2, this is 0, this is 0, 0 divided by 0. What is the value of the 0 divided by 0? I don't know. Can I find it? This is again 0 by 0, this is again 0 by 0. So, any idea how can you find out the value of this limit? So these are the indeterminate forms. This is Vijay or mathematics. The first two is 0 by 0, infinity by infinity. Next to 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity. Next to 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0, 1 raised to infinity, and these are the Bezier or indeterminate forms in the calculus. Okay, so we are going to study in detail one by one. The first is we are going to study how can you find the limit of the type 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity. Next we will go to study 0 into infinity and infinity minus infinity, and later we will study the other three. Okay, so first is 0 by 0 and the infinity by infinity. So this is an example actually, extending to 0 sin x by x. If the functions f of x and g of x are both 0 at x equal to a, then limit extending to a f of x by g of x cannot be found out by substituting x equal to a. That is, when x equal to 0, this is 0 by 0. We cannot find out the value. Right? So this is a L'Hopital rule in order to solve these type of problems like sin x by x, etc. So suppose the rule is this one. This is the first theorem in this. Suppose that f of a equal to g of a equal to 0, and that f dash a and g dash a exist, and thus g dash a not equal to 0, then the result says that the theorem says that limit extending to a f of x divided by g of x equal to f dash a divided by g dash a. F dash a divided by g dash a. Okay, how can you prove this? I'm going to start with this result, f dash a by g dash a. What is the definition? Definition for f dash a equal to limit x tending to a, fx minus fa divided by x minus a, and g dash a equal to limit x tending to a, g of x minus g of a divided by x minus a. I can combine this limit into one limit, limit extending to a, fx minus fa divided by x minus a, and gx minus ga divided by x minus a, and which is equal to limit extending to a, fx minus fa divided by gx minus ga. And so equal to what was this? What was fa and g? And in this given data, and in this given that it is given that fa equal to 0, g of a equal to 0. So I have substituted this f of x minus 0, g of x minus 0. So at last this became limit extending to a, fx divided by gx. Fx divided by gx. And next is some examples. So what is this? Limit extending to 0, 3x minus sin x divided by x is equal to limit extending to a 3. This is by using the previous theorem. At the first attempt, this is of the form 3. This is 0 by 0 form. So using the theorem 1, this is equal to derivative of this divided by derivative of the denominator, derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. So this is extending to 0. This is 3 minus cos x divided by 1. Next, when I am substituting x equal to 0, this is become a value. This is not of the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So I can write this as 3 minus cos 0 by 1. This is 3 minus 1 equal to 2. This is the answer. Next is limit extending to 0, square root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. At the first attempt, this is x equal to 0. This is root 1 minus 1 0 by 0. This is 0 by 0 form. So by definition, this is equal to derivative of denominator divided by derivative of denominator. So the derivative is equal to 1 by 2 root 1 plus x. This is 0 divided by 1. So the derivative is 1 by 2 root 1 plus x. When limit x tending to 0, this is 1 by 2. Similarly, how can you do this one? So at the first attempt, I have done this. When x tending to 0, next tending to 0, this is equal to 0 by 0. Again, by the first attempt, first using the theorem 1, you should please check it. Can you do this problem like this, above these two? Like the same manner, can you do this problem? Is there any difference between this problem and the other two? Please find out this form. Please find out the difference. Okay. So next is the L'Hopital rule, the second form. So we cannot determine the value of this function using the theorem 1. So I am going to the L'Hopital rule second form. So the second rule says that suppose that f of a g of equal to 0 and f and g are differentiable on an open interval I containing a. Suppose also that g dash x not equal to 0 on I. If x not equal to a, then limit x tending to a fx by gx equal to limit x tending to a f dash x by g dash x if the limit on the right axis or is infinity or minus infinity. So the continue this process, like if this is not, we cannot, this is again that the limit is indeterminate form. Again continue the same as limit x tending to a f double dash x divided by g double dash x and so on. Okay. So how can you do this? Limit x tending to 0, x minus sin x by x cube. Limit e raised to x minus 1 by 2x. Limit root of 1 plus x minus 1 minus x by 2 by x square. Limit x tending to infinity. Log x by x. These are, we have to do this. Okay, how can we do this? You please do all these problems, that is 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity forms, right? After that we can discuss the 0 into infinity and infinity minus infinity in the next video. So the first we have to do this, convert this type into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity forms. We can do these problems in the next video. Okay, thank you.